best club in the Lansing area. I want to thank Motor City for coming out. You get sponsorship from Final Approach Detailing, and you get discounts there. Shaheen Chevrolet, you get discounts there as well. We also have Michigan Graphics as a sponsor.
Basically, every year, outside of having a clubhouse now, we do trips all over the country. We've been to South Dakota, we've been to Tail of Dragon multiple times, we've been to Myrtle Beach this year. We're planning on going to Ohio and to Seaverville and Tail of Dragon again next fall. We're always doing stuff, we're always partnering up with our sister club, Motor City, and going all over.
Don't forget, we just drove to Niagara Falls.
Niagara Falls this year. Lisa was nice enough to let us stay at her place. We would go up to Eric has a place up at Silver Lake Sand Dunes. We try to make it more than just a car club, kind of more like a family. So we're looking to kind of grow it a little bit. You know, it's $25 a year. You get the friends and family discount at Shaheen, do this stuff. We're always trying to do that. We have a store for merch, that sort of stuff. So
also Camaro Nationals in Morgantown, Pennsylvania, that I know CJ, myself, and Kevin have gone to. There's also themed car shows. I've been and Kevin have been to down in Atlanta.
I have so much fun with these guys, and I never feel like, I mean, they've always got my back. Last weekend, for instance, Jason and Corey and Craig and I and Eric went to Chicago. It's nice to drive with other cars because somebody's got tools or somebody breaks down and somebody else needs this, and it's a wonderful feeling. You know, CJ and the guys in Motor City, we've had a lot of fun with them.
I want to grow this club to be the best it can be.
Yeah.
And for those who don't know, the board, we got Rico as the event coordinator, Corey as vice president, I'm the president, Lisa is the secretary, we got Craig and Eric are trustees. We do not have a treasurer here, but that is Cassie.
She's